Hi, this is Abby Rogers with DrySteam. In this video, I'm going to walk through the standard maintenance steps DrySteam recommends for the Vaporstream electric humidifier. Be sure to review all guidelines, warnings, and cautions in the IOM before you begin your work on site. Typically, a standard maintenance visit for the Vaporstream humidifier will take about 4 to 6 hours. And note that the maintenance may be performed on multi-tank units or standalone humidifiers. Here's a list of tools and supplies you will need. Basic hand tools, open end and box wrenches, a drill with driver bits, clamp, meter, and of course the Vaporstream IOM for detailed information on how to perform the maintenance tasks. At least annually and whenever maintenance is performed, all safety devices in the control circuit should be cycled on and off to verify they are functioning. These include a high limit switch, airflow proving switch, and low water level probe. Pull out the probe plug. Fill valve should energize. Inspect the tank and gasket for leaks. And measure current draw of heaters and verify amp values per stage by comparing to the wiring diagram located inside the control cabinet. This identifies any burned out heaters. Only qualified electrical personnel should perform this task. Seasonally, or as required depending on water quality, cool down the tank and follow shutdown procedures in the IOM and disconnect power. Remove the cleanout plate. Slide the cleanout tray out and dispose of any loose scale that has collected in the tray. Remove any additional scale that has accumulated on the bottom of the humidifier tank. This should be done before the scale buildup reaches the heaters. Inspect the area inside the tank in front of the drain valve fitting and thoroughly clean all scale and mineral buildup from that area. Clean the skim overflow port. Water should drain from the skimmer drain pipe after each fill cycle. This should be verified visually by a weekly inspection. Clean probes. See IOM for detailed cleaning procedures. When the maintenance requirements are complete, slide the cleanout tray back inside the tank and slide the cleanout plate over the tank studs. Torque the cleanout plate nuts to 25 to 35 inch-pounds. Verify that the probe rod holder is secure and that the probe plug and cable assembly are plugged into the probe rod holder. Replace and secure all covers and doors. Turn on the electrical power, and do not leave the humidifier unattended. Allow the humidifier to cycle through multiple fill cycles and verify that the humidifier cover, cleanout plate, and probe holder gasket are not leaking. For off-season maintenance, perform complete inspection and cleaning of the following: probe rods, skimmer port and water seal, humidifier tank, heaters, float valve, and low water cutoff switch for RO and DI humidifiers. After cleaning, the humidifier should remain empty until humidification is required. For outdoor enclosures, clean the vent screens and check for proper operation of strip heaters and ventilation fans annually. Before you head out to the site, here are some things you should verify: that the unit can be shut down long enough for scheduled maintenance to be completed, and that the maintenance location for the unit is clear, with clearances as shown in the IOM. The best way to determine how often your humidifier needs maintenance is to remove the tank cover and inspect it for mineral deposits after 3 months of duty. Hours of operation and duty cycle will determine your maintenance schedule, as will water quality. Now you are ready to perform routine maintenance of the Vaporstream electric humidifier. Taking time to plan and perform maintenance on a regular schedule will keep the equipment up and running at peak performance for many years.